Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to your science class. Okay, as you can see, I want a quick review on your unit 1 that includes one chapter only, and its name is Our Earth. It is present in your book from page 1 till 8. Okay, so let's have a little bit revision and introduction about this chapter. As I know you guys have already gone through it, you have done question answers regarding it, you have done everything, but trust me, I have a surprise element for you all by the end of this video. So please kindly watch it and try to review your lesson with me. Okay, so let's start. Our Earth. Our Earth, what it is made up of? It is made up of 70% of water and 30% of land. Okay, we will cover this water section later. Let's come towards the land section, 30%. The first and very foremost topic that I want to discuss is plains. Okay, plains, normally those areas that have a plain surface or lowland is called plain. It is very good for your agriculture. इसकी जो soil होती है it is very much fertile, यानी वो बहुत suitable होती है किस चीज़ के लिए? Crops grow करने के लिए. You have read this thing in your chapter as well, and most of people live over here because on plain lands most of the cities are built because it is easier to build on lands. If somebody asks you questions that why most of the cities or villages are built on plains, तो आप बता सकते हो कि वहाँ पर एक building को construct करना, to construct a building is far much easier rather than constructing something on hills or mountains or maybe plateaus. Okay, next thing that I want to discuss is seasons. As you know, when people live on plains, they have a proper temperature over there as well. That's why it is suitable to grow crops. If somebody asks that why crops are grown on plains, so you can tell this thing due to seasons, because on plains you get proper temperature, proper summer season, proper winter season, proper autumn, spring. So that's why that season plays an important role in growing crops over there. So that's why plain is very important part of our earth. Second important part, or maybe आप कह सकते हो highland या mountains जो है, it is the second important part of our earth. It includes upper lands. By the way, can you guys tell me what is the difference between hills and mountains? Well, the basic difference between both of them is that hills are smaller in heights than mountains. If somebody asks you, you can tell this thing that the main difference between them is that the height of hill is smaller or shorter. Second thing about this in this topic that I'm going to cover is your valley. Okay, now what is a valley? वैली इज़ एन एरिया, इट इज़ अ लो लैंड. लो लैंड का मतलब होता है एक नॉर्मल पीस ऑफ लैंड लाइक प्लेन है, लेकिन इसके इर्द गिर्द क्या होता है? दे हैव माउंटेन्स. इट इज़ कवर्ड विद माउंटेन्स एंड हिल्स सराउंडिंगली. ठीक है, तो दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड वैली. यू कैन इवन सर्च इट ऑन गूगल एंड यू विल फाइंड रियली ब्यूटिफुल प्लेसेस. ओके, next thing that land area of our earth covers is called forests. Okay, we all know what is the meaning of forest and jungle. It is a place for wild animals. Mostly हमें यहाँ wild animals नज़र आते हैं, greenery नज़र आती है, there are lots and lots of trees over there. But nowadays you have also learned about the term called deforestation. Okay, उसमें क्या होता है कि mostly people जो हैं, most of the people they are building more housing schemes by cutting down these forests. So forest is an also essential part of our earth. Next essential part of our earth is desert. Okay, what is desert? Desert is a very 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 dry place with a very small amount of water, or we can say less water. It is more hotter than plains, hills, forests. Its temperature is more hot and it is very dry with less water. And most famous animal that we could see in desert is camel. So hopefully I have covered all land part of our earth in this lecture. Follow me in next video to cover 70% of our earth.